Okay, good evening everyone. Thanks you for dialing in for tonight IPO webinar. Here we have Camaroe Bhd will be listed on ACE market on 2nd of October. Camaroe Bhd is principally involved in prawn aquaculture, comprising farming and processing of prawn, primarily black tiger in Malaysia. Later on, our Camaroe management team will discuss it in detail. Here we're going to honor the company managing director, Mr. Teo. Hi, Mr. Teo.
Hi, good
Okay.
evening.
Good evening. And our financial controller, Ms. Chua. Hi, Ms. Chua.
Hey.
All right. Let's to view for the corporate video before we run through the presentation. Thank you.
Camaroe Berhad, a producer and exporter of premium black tiger prawns. Since our establishment in 2009, our journey has been defined by a steadfast commitment to quality, sustainability, and growth. From humble beginnings with just 4 ponds, we have grown into an integrated operation, overseeing every stage of production from prawn farming and processing to global distribution. Strategically located along Malaysia's pristine coastline, Camaroe Bhd operates 138 saltwater ponds across 5 coastal farms in Selangor, Pahang, and Terengganu, ensuring a consistent and reliable supply of high-quality prawns year-round. Our prawn processing operations are located at the Kapar processing facility in Klang, Selangor, a 26,095 square foot facility certified for implementation of HACCP system, GMP system, and the MESTI certificate. Our farming process is built on sustainable and efficient practices. We use both batch and full harvesting to harvest our prawns according to the desired growth rate, desired prawn size, sales orders, and delivery schedules. Batch harvesting allows us to partially harvest prawns which has reached a marketable size and create space for remaining prawns to grow to a larger size, while full harvesting commences at the end of a growing period when the prawns have reached the desired marketable size. By combining our expertise and experience, we are able to manage our prawn farming activities effectively to meet seasonal demand and to accommodate slowdowns in production during monsoon seasons. To maintain freshness, our live black tiger prawns are delivered directly from our Tanjung Karang farms to the Kapar processing facility in live form. Black tiger prawns from the Merang farm and Penor farm are delivered in ice-chilled form. Upon arrival, live prawns are immediately transferred to holding tanks and stunned in ice bath using a thermal shock method. We then carry out our quality control process involving visual inspection and organoleptic tests on a sampling basis. Ice-chilled prawns will directly undergo visual quality inspections upon arrival at our Kapar processing facility. This initial sorting is then followed by a manual grading process where our prawns are sorted by weight and shell hardness. The prawns are then quick frozen at -40°C for 2 to 3 hours with blast freezers. This rapid freezing process is key to preserving their quality and provide a commercial shelf life of up to 24 months. A final glazing step, a quick dip in filtered water, adds a layer of ice protecting against air exposure and freezer burn. The prawns are packed in paper trays according to each customer's specifications. Every package then goes through a metal detector to ensure no metal contaminants are present. The packages are then stored at -21 to 25°C in our cold storage before shipment. At Camaroe Bhd, we are committed to delivering premium black tiger prawns through our integrated capability in prawn farming and processing, ensuring quality control, consistency, and sustainability at every stage, providing customers with fresh, high-quality products in local and international markets.
All right. Thanks for the company video for us to understand Camaroe Bhd. Without further ado, we'll start the presentation. Over to you, Mr. Teo.
Good evening. I'm Teo Bun, Managing Director of Camaroe Bhd. Camaroe Bhd IPO corporate presentation contain 5 content. First is IPO offering summary and timeline, corporate overview, business overview, financial overview, future plans, and business strategies. IPO offering summary and timelines. IPO on the ACE market. IPO price at 14 cent and large share 495 million. Market capitalization 69.3 million. IPO allocation is total is 148.5 million. And utilization of proceeds is about total is 13.86 millions, where 8 millions for capacity expansion, establishment of biotechnology department 1 million, general working capital 0.96 millions, and estimated listing expenses at 3.9 millions. IPO timeline is opening period is 29 August, closing period is 12 September, balloting is 18 September, allotments is 26 September, target listing date on 2nd October. Our board of directors is Dato China Azman bin Abu Semang, independent non-executive chairman, Teo Han Bun, managing director, Law So Cheng, executive director, Tan Yin Fong, independent non-executive director, Xia Chongwei, independent non-executive director, Ko Zhenji, independent non-executive director. Pre-IPO share holding structure. Teo Han Bun hold 51.74%, Law So Cheng 40.95%, where Teo Keng Huat hold 7.31%. 4 subsidiary company under 100% owned by Camaroe Bhd. Camaroe Aquaculture, Farmalex, Sdn Berhad, WTU Aqua Sdn Berhad, where processing plant operated by Wintech Star Sdn Berhad. Post-IPO shareholding structure. Teo Han Bun 35.39%, Law So Cheng 28.76%. This is after our open for sales 10%. And Teo Keng Huat 6.08%. Pin form allocation is 2.27%, and public shareholders 27.5%. Camaroe Berhad remain owned 100% for all the subsidiary companies. Business overview. What Camaroe do? Farming of prawns, processing and sales of black tiger prawn, other business activities. Yes. Principal activities, farming of prawn. Primary, black tiger prawn. Operate 149 saltwater ponds with certified aquaculture biosecurity standard operating procedure, MIGAP, and FQC. Processing and sales of black tiger prawn. Processed at Kapar processing facility. The key product is head on, shell on, and headless peel frozen black tiger prawn. Other business activities, trading of waname shrimp and other seafood, supply of prawn feed open customer requests. Where our principal market is China, Malaysia, South Korea, Taiwan, Australia. Overseas customer, we direct deal B2B sales to seafood importers, wholesalers, distributors, bulk resales to restaurant, hotels, and retailers. Local customer, primarily live black tiger prawn to seafood wholesaler. Supply smaller size live prawn, about size 30 pieces per kilogram, where we start our batch harvest or partial harvest. Next. Products. Our products, live prawns, live black tiger prawn, and live waname shrimp. Where frozen form, black tiger prawn, frozen hedge-on and shell-on, frozen headless and peeled. Next. Farming facility. Farm 1, developed by Camaroe, managed and owned by Camaroe Aquaculture, located in Tanjung Karang, with 27 ponds. Tanjung Karang Farm 2, managed by Farmerex, located at Tanjung Karang, own 37 prawn ponds. Next. Tanjung Karang Farm 3, managed by WTU Aqua, located at Tanjung Karang, equipped with 41 ponds. Penuh Farm in Pahang, managed by WTU Aqua under a contract farming agreement, consists of 23 prawn ponds in operation now. Next. Marang Farm in Terengganu, managed by WTU Aqua, equipped with 31 ponds. And the Kapar processing facility operated by Wintech Star Sdn Berhad. Next. Camaroe Group major customer, financial year 2024, Shanghai Pinchuan from China. The product sold is frozen black tiger prawn, and revenue at 15.3. So percentage is 38.6% from our group revenue. Customer A from Korea, product sold frozen black tiger prawn with revenue 6.74 millions. Percentage of our group revenue at almost 17%. And the other frozen black tiger prawn buyers from Sijuan from China is about 2.6 millions in year 2024. The other two, Pantai Seafood Supply and Dragon Ocean Fisheries, is they are purchased live black tiger prawn directly from our farm in Tanjung Karang. So they generate about 12.4% of our group revenue in year 2024. Next. Major customer, PE 2025. Pinchuan from China, purchased frozen black tiger prawn. Revenue at 4 millions and percentage almost 50%. Pantai Seafood Supply, local buyer for live black tiger prawn, about 1.18 millions. And customer A from Korea, frozen black tiger prawn, about 700,000. Sijuan from China, about 644,000. And Dragon Ocean Fishery, live black tiger prawn, about 569K. Next. Our group major supplier in FYE 2024, Starfeed Mill. Our products purchase is feed. So the revenues about 6.6 millions. Percentage of our group revenue is 41.17. Second is SWL Enterprise. It's contract farming in Penuh Farm, Kuantan. We purchase black tiger prawn, about 2.22 millions, about 12.62 millions. Shenlong Biotech is our group feed supplier. We purchased about 1.88 millions and 11.71% of our group revenue. And aquaculture, Usaha Sama and City Marine is purchased a black tiger prawn from, and both of them total revenue for our group revenue is about 19%. Next. Major supplier FPE 2025. Star feed mill. Our group purchased feed about 1 million and percentage of our group revenue about 41.5%. Aquaculture Usaha Sama BT Camaroe Bhd purchased black tiger prawn about 500K. Asia Aquaculture is our post-larvae supplier. We purchased about 350K. SWL contract farming. We purchased our black tiger prawn about 261K. Whereas Shenlong, our group purchased feed at 255K. Next. Financial overview. Revenue. Total revenue is in year 2021 is 38 millions. Year 22 is 36. Year 2023 is almost 34 millions, and 2024 is 39.8 millions. So for the FPE 2025 is 8.2 millions. Revenue by geographical location. We can foresee that China is our main market, unless in year 2021, Malaysia domestic market is dominant, I think 23.78 millions. In FPE 2025, China remain the majority, our market share there. Next. Revenue by business segment. Our groups mainly focus in frozen head-on, shell-on black tiger prawn. So we grow, our group grow the frozen Hoso, the head-on, shell-on business from 25 million in 2021, and in year 2024 is 31.58 millions. And FPE 2025, head-on, shell-on remain our key business. Our live black tiger prawn is, I mean, the customer direct purchase or they buy from our farm in Tanjung Karang, Selangor. So in year 2021 is almost 7 millions, and 2024 is about 7.7 millions. Next here. Profitability, gross profit 2021 10.9 millions. 22 is 11.58. 2023 11.28, and 2024 13 millions. And GP margin 38.65 in 21, 22 is 32, 23 is 33.29, 24 is 32.7. So we keep quite a good track above 30% for the continuous year from 22 to 24. FPE 2025 GP margin 33.8%. And profit after tax in 2021 is 7.8 millions, 2022 8.4, 2023 is 11.7 millions, 2024 is 8 millions. And FPE 2025 is about 637K. Next. Gross profit and gross profit margin by business segment. So frozen black tiger prawns generates our main income from 9.3 million is 21, 22 is 10.6 million, 23 is 10.47 million, 24 year 24 is 10.5 million, where the GP generated by live prawn sales is 1.3 million is 21, 700,000 to 22, 800,000 is 2023, and 2024 about 2.4 million. And for FPE 2025 is 837K. So the GP margin by frozen black tiger prawn. So in year 21 is 35, and 22 is 37, 23 is 35.1, 24, 32%, 32.82 millions. And where percent margin? Okay. So, and for FPE 2025 is 31.13, and margin by the live prawn is 42.21%. Our group total equity is 28 millions, and our gearing ratio 0.52, current ratio 4.22 times, and trade receivables turnover is 21 days, trade payables turnover is 35 days. Next. Future plan and business strategies. Utilization of proceeds. Capacity expansion about 8 million. Allocate about 58% for capacity expansion to construction of new Bukit Raja processing facility, purchase of machinery equipment, installation of solar panel. Next. Second, establishment of a biotechnology department. The allocation RM 1 million. We'll build a in-house laboratory and purchase some equipment and expansion of workforce. Third is general working capital, 0.96 million, and last estimated listing expenses at 3.9 million. Key competitive strength, integrated farming and processing capability. Our group control entire supply chain from farming to processing. 80% of our frozen product is farmed by our own, and with additional 30 third party, I think almost 20% sourcing from third party, like contract farming in Kuantan, to meet diverse orders specification. Able to maintain frozen inventory to buffer production fluctuation. Strong export track record and customer portfolio. Over 15 years in prawn farming. Diverse overseas B2B customer base across multiple countries. But sales wholesaler, great economy of scale and cost efficiency. Long-term relationship with trusted export customer, especially China, Korea, and Taiwan. Proven quality and certification. Consistently meet local and international quality standard. Even farm and our processing plant. Certified farming and processing practices ensure food safety. Direct farming involvement appeals to customers seeking traceability, safe product. Build customer trust and loyalty through consistent premium quality. And we secured an antibiotics-free certification from NSF from US. Last, we have experienced management team led by myself with more than 28 years aquaculture experience. Myself is graduate from UKM with a degree of marine science. So second is our executive director with over 20 years in finance, HR, and administration, supported by senior management with deep industry expertise. Next. Future plans. We focus in capacity expansion in our new Bukit Raja processing plant. The relocation of existing prawn processing line in Kapar to new Bukit Raja processing facility by first quarter of 2029. The setting up requires the purchase of new technology, machinery, equipment comprising chest freezer as well as a rooftop solar panel system. The second future plan will be establishment of a biotechnology department. We intend to commence in-house laboratory testing as well as R&D activity for the enhancement of our prawn farming operation through the establishment of an in-house biotech department. This is how we going to do is to localize our probiotics species like bacillus. We find out because mainly most of the probiotics is imported from US or China or Taiwan. So anyway, we will relocate our in-house biotechnology department to the new Bukit Raja processing facility in the first quarter of 2029. Next. Industry outlook. Wholesale value of black tiger prawn in millions, ringgit millions. 2021 is 402 millions. So the increase to 2024, 686.88 millions. The CAGR is almost 10.55. We can foresee the drop in 2021 to 2022 because of the lockdown, I think. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chua, for just now, Mr. Teo, sorry, for just now explaining for us the Camaroe operation business. Okay. Are you ready for the Q&A section?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. This asking for, do you consider installing net on the shrimp pond to protect the shrimp from predator or prevent cross contamination between the ponds?
I mean, our group is not practice this net protection because mainly our prawn farm is surrounding is managed by our own farm.
Okay. The second is, who are your target customer? Could you share it?
Target customer will be restaurant chains in China and also local is live prawn is a restaurant chain as well. Yeah.
Okay. Could you share it? How do you differentiate yourself from competitor in the prawn aquaculture industry market, especially in Malaysia?
Our groups act as integrated farming, especially in black tiger prawn. So we provide custom made like sizes and quantity desire or demand by the customer facet, like our China customer, they're looking for jumbo size, like some sort of 10 pieces per kilo, maybe 12 pieces and 16 pieces, 20 pieces per kilo. So we can, I mean, with traceability and certified products and premium grade texture of the black tiger.
Okay, premium grade. Okay. Okay, I think just now you also mentioned your IPO process will invest in the biotechnology, right? Could you elaborate more on biotechnology benefit, like how benefit to your prawn and what is advantageous to bring for human consumption?
Towards the antibiotics free certification, we need to apply more probiotics to our I mean to the shrimp for oral or for the water treatments. So the shrimp will be more healthier. The prawn will be grow healthier than before.
Okay, if after this improvement will be the pro margin improve?
Definitely, it will increase the output production and also the shrimp size will be grow because that is our estimation.
Mm. Could you share what is the breakdown of revenue by business segment for Camaroe? I think just now the slide show it, right?
Yeah. Mainly generated our key income generated by the frozen head-on shell-on. I mean the number is growing. The numbers keep growing from 35 millions from year 2021 and then grow to 31.5 million in year 2024.
Okay.
Where the live black tiger prawn only 7 millions in year 2021 and 2024 7.7 million.
Yes, we discussed about the prawn volume. There is a question about the volume so decrease in financial year 22 and 23. Was it due to capacity constraint or lower demand? Also, what driven the uptake in financial year 24?
Sorry, can you repeat?
OK，就是它的产量在22年、23年下降，然后是什么原因导致它？是因为生产比较少，还是因为你的那一个 pond 不够？然后24年为什么会这么多？就是那个 volume。
Okay, actually in year 2022 and 2023, we grow bigger size prawn and then take longer times. Where in year 2024, we grow maybe a bit smaller because we are custom made. The customer order, our production is depend on customer requirement. Yeah.
Okay. That means you go customize to different customer lah, if they require.
Yeah. The customer actually is the importer remain the same. It's the market where we always looking for premium customer as well with our premium product. That's why we keep on improving and then hope we can meet the customer requirement. So in year 2024, they might require more smaller size, but the smaller size is that means it's 20 pieces per kilo. But where in year 2023, they require higher, I mean bigger size, like 10 or 12 pieces per kilo. So you take longer times to grow the shrimp
Okay. Yeah.
with a high value.
Like just now you said the premium is it?
Size, because black tiger prawn, the size will determine the price. I mean, like 10 pieces per kilo, maybe higher 20 or 30 ringgits from 30 pieces per kilo difference.
Okay. About the price and size, how do you benchmark the black tiger prawn against the wanami? And are there any industry body or association that regulate this standard?
Two key species farmed in the world is black tiger prawn and waname shrimp. Waname still dominant the market, and black tiger we target niche market with bigger size. Waname you can have a short cycle than black tiger. I My answer is can
Yeah, you got it.
yeah.
Okay. And okay, this question asking which plant are owned by the company and which are leased. If for the leased plant, what is the cost relative to revenue? And are they located on government land? If located on government land, are there any risk of government will be reclaiming? Yep.
Farm 1 is owned by Camaroe Aquaculture Berhad, and Farm 2 is we secure. Farm Alex and Berhad secure a temporary occupation license from a state authority, and where we can renew because this area is gadget for aquaculture. Ternak air. So for this moment, it's not a big issue because government offer Farmerex 4 years TOL plus 21 years leasehold. So where Farm 3 is I mean operate by WTO Aqua, and we lease from landowner, and Farm 4 is contract farming basics. Farm 5 is state land as well. And our group secure a 10 years lease from 2022. Yeah.
Okay, quite clear. Okay.
And
How
processing
long?
plant, processing plant, 2 units is owned by us. 1 unit is rent from owner. Yeah.
Okay. How long does it take to build or develop a prawn farm?
2 years, so, including applying license from authority, electricity supply, and ready to grow. Yeah, 2 years.
2 years. Also including just now you say apply for the operating license, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Why are margin and price for black tiger prawn higher compared to wanami? I think just now you already explained. Do you want to add more?
Waname price is higher. Waname price is lower because it's farmed by, whole world is farming Waname shrimp, especially from South America and Central America. Even Middle East also they farm Waname. Where black tigers, prawns, only Asian region like India, Bangladesh, when I meant Southeast Asia country farming this black tiger prawn. And I mean, they take time. So normally farmer, they will grow waname because they need to market their product. The matured shrimp to local processing or somewhere else. That's why we go black tiger prawn, because we already secure the supply chains, the value chains from farming to processing and marketing. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Can you share the niche part of the Camaroe compared to competitor?
Premium, jumbo size, better texture, and with certification now, antibiotics free certification. Yeah. traceability as well, because buyer now their buying behavior, they're concerned about where the product from, where your shrimp from, because this is our 80% our own farm product. So they are confident that what that we call is traceability. Yeah.
Yeah, also now the younger generation, they're busy of work. They like to buy the fresh and then just cook at home after they
Mm.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, the healthy more important. Okay. Next question is asking for contract manufacturing. How does this work and what is the revenue contribution to the company compared with the non-contract farming?
Mm. We don't have contract manufacturing. We only have contract farming. Contract farming in Kuantan.
Okay, if contract farming and how does this work?
How does it work? We we manage the farm and then we buy back the product. Yeah. So they asking the revenue contribution is about 10%. 10%. 10% to the operator.
Mm,
Yeah.
okay. Could you share what are the main challenging of farming black tiger palm and how does Camaroe address them?
Disease control. So you can see our farming model. We have 5 location of farm. That is how we minimize our risk. This is one of our risk management. Instead of the whole big area do the same farming. Actually, our practices is don't put all the eggs in one basket. Yeah.
Okay. About just now, you discussed about the disease problem and how many percentage of the failure average in historical?
20%. Yeah. 80% successful. Yeah. That's why we still survive. Sorry. Yeah, oh, me.
Okay. 20% failure.
Yeah. Actually, our
Okay.
survival, we are always talking about 80%.
Okay.
Yeah.
80% survival. Okay, good. Key. Okay. This question asking about your China customer contribute quite significant portion of your revenue. And okay, this make the concern to investor. And do you have any strategy in place to diversify your customer base?
China, because actually we our plan is China, and then why China? We focus China for these few years because China is a big population country, so they can buy everything, and the black tiger market is growing in China. It's keep growing. We can see the numbers is growing up. Not like and then we divert some to Korea and Taiwan because of have to balance it because China they maybe Korea and Taiwan they require that they purchase certain size maybe 3 or 2 size from our company, where China they buy everything every sizes, so they can absorb. And what is our strategy? We will go deeper, and then maybe in future we will go to the direct customer in a retailer. This is our future strategy.
Mm.
Currently, we supply to restaurant chains, many restaurant chain in China.
Many restaurant chain in China
Yeah.
and China also quite high demand.
Yep.
Okay. This also asking similar questions. Since export make up more than 60% of your revenue, do you see the demand as sustainable and are there any risks?
I think it's more than 80% export, not 60. And why we focus export market? Because you can see our trade receivable is only 30 over days, I think. and we focus overseas mainly because black tiger, the market demand is high in China and Korea, even Taiwan, because of the premium products. So sustainability regarding, because at this moment we need to grow or increase our output to cope with our current market demands. Yeah, it's sustainable. Yeah.
Okay. From this question, which country do you see is the most promising market in the future and why?
Still China. Still China market. Yeah. Because in China, China nowadays, China government is concerned about the food safety. So the authority will in future will do a lot of food tests, shrimp tests in antibiotics and others like heavy metal. So we foresee like because our own farm product, we should target those high high demand market like China, because nowadays China they not only farm, I mean the custom doing checking during the in the ports. Now they go to the restaurant, they go to the all the retail outlet, go and collect the sample to do a lot of tests for this antibiotics. So when you have antibiotics free products, they can offer better price to you. Yeah.
Okay. And next question is, as your new Bukit Raja processing facilities is sorted to commence operation only in first quarter of 2029, could you suggest what will drive business growth in the meantime?
We will grow because the capacity, actually we increase our capacity for 20, because certain months we have peak season. After Chinese New Year, we will heavy in stocking of post larvae, the shrimp fry, and mostly our products will be marketable size at in June, or July, or August and November to year end. Why we build a new facility? Because we need the biggest co-room. Actually, we still have room to increase our capacity, I mean our production in our farm, because currently our utilization is about 60%. Where with the improvement of our biotechnology department, we can grow more shrimp in these few years. Because we hope the new facility in 2029 is meet our overseas customer, because local demand is there, but we have to focus more in overseas market, because currently like in, for example, in August or September, maybe one day our current facility only we can produce 2 or 3 tons or 4 tons per day, but where our production is more than that. So we hope we enlarge our production capacity so we can absorb most of our own product and export to the desired market. Yeah.
Okay. Just now you also mentioned there is seasonality cycle, and could you share which season or which quarter is the best? I mean better.
Better is for us, actually for exporter is from August onward to Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year. Okay. 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 Other Southeast country also man tiger prawn exporter. Malaysia tiger prawn anything special? Oh, okay.
Indonesia mainly they farm banana, and black tiger as currently is farmed in Vietnam, in Thailand and Malaysia, in Southeast country. So where overseas market, the benchmark Malaysia and Thailand is premium grade. Where Vietnam prawn, because mainly they are purchased from the small farmer. I mean the packer or processor, they purchase raw meat from small farmer. So small farmer, they don't have concern about the texture, the quality of the products. Thailand as well, they also purchase from the farmer. So our integrated farming model and processing ability increase our competitive advantage in the market.
Okay. In the future or in the coming quarter, what do you think the demand of black tiger prawn would be now?
From the the market outlook just now we share, we look at the stream demand is keep going up. I mean, at least just now CAGR is about 10.55%. Keep going up because after COVID, more people look for premium product and healthier food. Yeah.
Okay. How should investor project the effective tax rate in near future in percentage conservative?
Will we remain at 24%?
Okay, 24%.
Tax rate.
Okay, the next question is, does the average price for frozen black tiger prawn take shipping fees into account, or the higher selling price compared with the live one is simply due to overwhelming demand overseas?
That's the average price of the shipping fee into account.什么意思？
我们的收入应该是control market rate，或是没有这个shipping fee。
哦，我们是 CIF 嘛？You mean our price export to overseas with
Yeah, I think
shipping
so.
fee into account? Yeah,
Yeah.
because actually we have two. One is FOB, is I mean ex crank. The other one is CIF. Did answer your question?
Yeah, FOB and CIF.
Yeah, and compare with live one is simply due to demand overseas. So that's some reason.
我价钱不是高，是
Actually live we do cluster hours. That means is we culture under DOC, day of culture, about 100 days, 120 days. We do partial hours. So maybe 20 to 25% of the biomass in that pond, particular ponds, in size at size 30 pieces per kilogram. So the rest, 80% or 75% will grow bigger size.
Mhm. Okay, this question is, the famous hotpot shop, is Haidilao one of the restaurant chain that buy your product?
No, at this moment, no. Actually, our product in China, our premium grades seafood restaurant is purchased from us, not Haidilao.
Oh. I think we answer almost of the question tonight. Okay.
Any very big revenue potential.
就是你刚刚提的那个季节比较好的时候，你的收入会特别高吗？
会啊，yeah.
Yeah, the revenue will fluctuate due to seasonality. And how much for the percentage?
It depends actually. That this is not a because actually like the revenue because we mainly export. We also affected by the currency exchange, and also the size of the shrimp. So,
Can I make it like in other ways, like if better season that your prawn will be the size maybe will be bigger a bit, and then the
price is
production time
higher.
will be
Yes.
shorter. Is it
Uh,
correct?
Actually, it's like this. Like towards Chinese New Year, they will demand more jumbo size shrimp. Like
Mm.
in month of after Chinese New Year, February or March or April, May, they require smaller size from overseas. That's it. That is the seasonality and also the volume as well. But our current, after 2, 3 years in China, our current demand is quite stable now. Every month they purchase, like say, like 4 container or 5 container. It's quite sustained. I mean, consistent nowadays.
So 4 or 5 container is daily or monthly?
Monthly,
Monthly.
because we based on our own product. We are not purchased. We are 80% own farming shrimp. That's why that is why customer repeat order from us because they are looking for traceability. That's why they choose our company products. Yeah.
So you can customize different size to your customer too, and then your good quality and premium.
Yeah, assurance of the quality, product quality. I mean, consistency of the product quality as well.
Quite good. Okay. Before we end tonight, is Mr. Teo, do you have any closing remark for our investor?
We will do our best. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think we finish off the Q&A tonight. And thanks, Mr. Teo and Miss
Thank
Chua
you.
for tonight presentation. And once again, congrats on your upcoming listing on the ACE market on 2nd of October. Thank you. Good night,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Teo.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.